G'day guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw a pumpkin just in time for Halloween. Make sure you watch the whole video because I've got some secret tricks up my sleeve today. You're going to need a pencil, paper, an eraser and a Sharpie to go over your sketch with. Let's go! Let's get started. But first, if you want to learn the fast and easy way, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell. Let's begin! Okay, this one I think is really quick and easy. We're going to start by drawing a big kind of wide circle like this. This is going to be the body of the pumpkin, okay? So with your pencil, just nice and gently just draw like a wide circle. Try and have it kind of pinching in here and here, just kind of coming in a bit, yeah? Because that's the shape of the pumpkin. So just make sure all your lines meet up. And you should kind of have a shape like this, okay? Let me just slightly hide the sketch underneath a bit more so you can see what I'm talking about. And then when you get this shape, you need to draw a line that goes right down the middle, like this. As with most of our drawings, we're going to have a line down the middle to show us where it's symmetrical. Now here's my trick, here's my little secret which I think helps make this really easy to draw. So we drew this line, now we're going to draw the other lines around it. So start here and then draw a curve like this that goes down all the way to the bottom. And then another one that goes like this. Okay, a little bit more curve to it than the one before it. And then we do the same on the other side. Now what this does, it helps us to see the pumpkin like a 3D object, which is really useful when we're drawing the rest of the details on it. But also, these lines will kind of stay in the final drawing because those lines, that you can also see them on an actual pumpkin. So just gently draw those kind of shapes on, and then we can get to drawing the rest of the pumpkin. I'm going to start with a nose because it's smack bang in the middle. It's going to be here, okay? So let's just draw a triangle, just a small triangle, and make sure it goes over the line so that the triangle, that half the triangle is on one side and half the triangle is on the other side. Now for the eyes, so I'm going to draw triangles for the eyes as well, so we're going to use this line and this line so that we can understand where the eyes go. So I'm just going to draw a triangle here, okay, and as you can see I've let the guideline kind of tell me how to draw the triangle because it's kind of, you know, it's a 3D shape. It might take some practice to get used to seeing it that way, but you'll get really nice shapes if you do it. So they're not perfect triangles, they're kind of slanted, but it looks good. So now we're just going to draw a line inside of that triangle, here, and here, so that it looks cut out. I'm going to do the same for the other side, so here and here. So it looks like it's been carved, yeah? And then we'll do the same for the nose, so just a line here, and a line there. Because this bit here, this is all inside the pumpkin, okay? But this is like, this bit's been cut out, if that makes sense. So now we're going to do the mouth. We're going to do like a big smile, and it's going to be symmetrical along the middle. So starting here, just under the eye, very faintly, just draw a smile that goes along. And then starting here again, a big curve that goes underneath it, but meets the same. So it's like a big open grin, okay? And now for some teeth. So I'm just going to draw some little rectangles that come off the top of the mouth. For the teeth, I'm just going to do 4 little rectangles like that, and then I'll do 3 at the bottom. So I'm going to start one there, I'll put 1 in the middle, and then 1 here. Okay? And now I'm going to make those teeth look a little bit more 3D, just like we did with the eyes. So starting here, I'm just going to draw across a bit and then go up. Same for here. I'm going to draw across a bit diagonally, and then up. And then going to do the same for the other side. Going to do one here, so diagonally, and then up to the top of the mouth. Diagonally, up to the mouth. And we'll do the same for the teeth at the bottom. So going across there from the side, and then down to the bottom of the mouth. This middle tooth, because it's right in the center, we don't really have to do anything for it, so I'm going to leave that one for now, and I'm just going to go to this one. So I'm just going to draw across and then go down. Now the finishing touch is the stem at the top of the fruit. That's going to go here. So starting where the lines meet here, I'm just going to draw a line that curves up and it comes down diagonally because it looks a bit more interesting. I'm just going to give it a bit of a curve to finish off with. Let's just draw a line going up because the stems do kind of look like that. And there we go, that's pretty much our pumpkin drawing. I'm going to go over mine with ink, with a Sharpie. You should do the same. And then you can rub out all the lines you don't want to keep. So you don't want to keep this one, or that one. Just go over the lines that you really, really want to keep, and we'll see where our drawings meet in the middle. And there it is, one round, juicy pumpkin. Guys, I've got a question for you today. Are you going to carve a pumpkin for this year's Halloween? Let me know in the comments down below. And remember, if you want to learn to draw the quick and easy way and impress your friends, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.